love that racer so much, bro. It's so fun.
I know, right?
If you get it, because it's small, it's like compatible, so you can take it with you.
I'm getting real high before I crash when it gets dark.
Alright, where are we going?
Oh, let's go to a little trail.
I don't know, bro, but the suspension is just so good. The range, it's okay. You get a few miles until it's done. But yeah, alright, looks like we're headed right. Yo! What's up? Oh! Oh! Oh, dude, that hurt. We're headed to the right. You think what I'm thinking? Look to your right. You thinking what I'm thinking? What is my boy doing? What is he doing? Wait, I remember trick-or-treating around here. So yeah, right now, I'm actually saving up for a studio. I mean, like right now I have enough money. It's just, I don't know. What?
Mini skate park.
Oh.
Look, it was actually fun. Like, drop it.
Yeah, that's pretty cool.
And we can just go down by riding down the path.
Riding down the path or the stairs?
The rock, but the covered in cement. And if you want to get out of there, go full speed and ramp off there, and you go into the rock.
I don't think I'll have enough speed for that. Oh, okay. Alright, they're suggesting that I should go at the end. Let's go ahead and go. At the end? Oh, I almost went forward.
Is it red yet? Twist it. The throttle? You gotta twist it. Is it turning yellow?
It's just green. It says full.
Even when you're riding?
Yeah.
Okay, good.
The 36 mark says red.
Oh no, that's fine. That means power's 36. Yeah. So when you twist it, and this turns off, and that turns that when only you twist it.
No, it stays full.
That means it's low battery.
Okay.
So you're fine for now.
What?
Yeah, you're clear. Hit it.
Yeah.
Hold it. Remember, hold it. He lets go when it hits red. So let's go.
I lean too much forward. Alright, should we head back?
Yeah.
And then
You want to be back for now?
I don't know. No, let's explore more. What?
Security desk. If you see a banner, just drive past them.
Okay.
But the guy yelled at me because over
He said to go slow, but I guess not anymore. Okay. Oh shit! Yo, you saw that, right? Dude. So my suspension, it just like went up, it went down, and I went like I pushed myself down. And I guess we're going here. Sure. Oh my gosh. Wait. I gotta try this. Dude, I have to try this. Crap, I'm so dead.
No, this is a little trail. Gee, it's a little dirt trail. Gee, look, let me show you. You can race on this little track.
Okay. Well, that's pretty cool. Watch me absolutely like destroy my head on these rocks. Can we swap?
You want to swap?
Yeah.
Why? So you don't want to get arrested?
No.
Um,
I just want to go on that one.
what do you
No, I just want to ride it. What back brake sensor? What?
So you know how there's a brake sensor?
Yeah.
So like when you squeeze down, it like turns off your engine.
Yep.
I plugged it out on there. But if you want to do burnouts, now you can use it.
Oh, okay. Alright, y'all, I'm on the Mac box. I feel so much taller now. Oh, he's got that. That's crazy. Y'all, I feel like I'm 6'2" right now. Oh my god. That's one of them. Oh, it's a chill guy. Okay. That's one of them, bro. Wait. There's a piece of tape that keeps fluttering right here.
Hey, Jake, look. Get a trail and you can go for the...
Oh, I remember this one. Yeah, it's pretty sharp. Oh, we're gonna go on the dirt trail? I do not feel comfortable at all on this giant bike, dude. Especially going up like a dirt trail, dude. Sketchy as hell, bro. Can barely make it up here. Should we take a picture here?
We already have one. I can send you it.
Okay. Yeah, I like how it's lower.
Yeah.
Because I have more control over it.
Yeah, it takes more like kind of like skill if you want to like wheelie this.
Mhm.
The Razor's like the best wheelie bike ever, bro. Because the center of gravity. No, this is actually easier. The center of gravity is so low. It's like this.
So you guys, now I feel like a lot more controlled.
If we have stronger bikes, some kids ride up this.
Mhm. Really?
Ride up, yeah, but it doesn't have enough power.
Okay. Well, I guess we're just gonna send it, right? I was giving them the signal. Sharp turn here. Oh my god. Dude, if I full send this, I'm dead.
We rolled a boulder about 200-pound boulder down. It was like 1,000 feet. It was so many avalanche so hill and landed in a pathway on the golf course.
Ooh.
Crazy.
That's crazy.
It was so loud. It took both of us to kick it off.
Alright, so they're gonna take me to a place. I don't know if y'all heard it in the mic, but what the flip was that about?
Dude, he was honking. You see him honking?
Yeah, he honked at me. I wasn't even. I just
He
braked.
saw me and did this.
All right, bro. I mean, you are wearing a helmet. Did he think you're not wearing a helmet?
Getting real high before I crash when it gets dark.